3, 2, 1 snap.
What was that? Did you do snap it?
That's how you say snap in Japanese.
How do you do it?
Snap it.
Snap it.
Snap it.
That's very good. I've landed in London. Never been. Let's go explore. I need coffee and breakfast. See what we can find. It's relatively easy. Every street I get into is straight off the board game. We're in Pall Mall now. I hated playing Monopoly. No one ever was happy. I'm already lost. I think I'm in Piccadilly somewhere. The smells are amazing, by the way. We're not eating together. Tell me, you wouldn't happen to have a Union Jack handy? How good does that look? How many flags do you need? I don't know where I am right now, and I'm well away from any coffee or food too. Found a park. Well, I found coffee and a little almond slice. And I also worked out that I'm in St James Park, which I still have no idea where that is. The further I'm going, the more lost I'm getting. I'm starting to mix things up. I keep thinking I'm in Piccadilly for some reason, but I'm in Paddington, I think. The last I remember is Oxford Circus. All very bizarre names. So all this getting lost has got me thinking, what if you're lost during your massage? If you're a few minutes into your back rub with your partner, it's all feeling great, and then you're like, I have no idea what to do next. I've got a handy tip that I learned when I first started massaging that's going to work really well for you. Giving your partner a back rub is not rocket surgery. On healthy bodies, we all hurt in the same places. Look what I found. I feel like an accidental tourist because I've seen that Big Ben under construction right now. I started massaging almost 20 years ago now, and the thing that helped me the most, like more so than practicing the techniques, was receiving as many massages as possible. And during that time, while people were giving me massages, I was able to figure out what felt good on my body, right? I'd sit there and go, that feels nice, why does it feel nice, how does it feel nice, how much pressure are they using, and then I'd grab that and apply that to my massages and see how people would react with that. And this pattern recognition worked really well. Like I said, we all hurt in the same places on healthy bodies, so it's really easy to figure out, hey, if it feels good on me up here, almost definitely feels good on your partner when massaging up here as well. And this is what makes it all stick in your brain. So remember that when you're getting massaged. This actually looks familiar. I think that's Waterloo Station. I'm going to check it out. If it is, I know exactly where I am and how to get back to the hotel, all without any mappage at all. I'm quite impressed with myself. If it is. How do I get in there now? Let's figure this out.
I wanna take you where you've never been. Swear I won't break your heart and I won't let you down. The
moral of this story is if you're lost, stick with what you know. Go with what feels good on your body and try to do the same thing on your partner's body. It'll most likely work out. The other good thing is being lost is not necessarily a bad thing. You stumble on some crazy, amazing new experiences as well. And this is what makes your massages together a whole lot of fun. So it's all about just playing, working with what you know, remembering what feels good on you, trying to copy that and deliver the same feeling to your partner. And you never know, you might just build the most amazing massage routine. I'm still lost, but I still refuse to pull out my phone and figure out where I'm at. I know it's here somewhere. I can see the train, it's right up there. I have to get into the station somehow. Oh. Aha, found it. Just at the end of the street. on our way home.
Stay right here with me. Stay with me. Think I've got fire.
Now, I can teach you how to find all the spots on your partner's body. It's all down in the video series, and I've even got some really silly names for you so you can remember them, like the train track, the golf ball, the mushy mushy yum yum bit. Let's have a quick look at the money shot first.
There's something in the way you look at me that tells me you are another man. I don't know what it is it does to me.
Now, what about the mushy mushy yum yum? Alright, train track. Now tell me that these aren't places that you're thinking, that really hurts or feels amazing on my body.
I hope that you can stay right here with me.
See, it really is that simple. We all hold tension in the same places. If we're not sick or unhealthy or, you know, have some sort of muscle issue, it's really easy to find. Guys, I'm super wrapped. I work my way home without having to, you know, pull out my phone or feel like I am at tourist. That's great. So now we have an easy guide on how to find knots and areas of tension. Probably the last thing to say is, which is really important, is to not spend all your time focusing on just those spots. You need to weave it in so it all kind of like flows, working with your relaxation strokes and hitting all those amazing bits that feel great. Often I see way too many couples just focusing on the good bits, like the areas of tension and the knots. It needs to be integrated with your relaxation strokes, so it all kind of like just flows into this one amazing routine. Put it all together, be an incredible experience.